Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going back to the JCB M25 to fix the pull cord which broke when I tried to start it at the end of the last video. I now need to take all this apart again, all this off, so we'll get some tools together and we'll get it all disassembled. Right guys, we've got it all apart now. I just need to find the end of the pull cord and try and see without trying to take the spring off. And the pull cord has come right off. As you can see, the pull cord has come right off the spool, so I need to figure out where the hole is for the pull cord to go into. I presume that would be it there. There must be a hole somewhere in the casing. Yeah, there it's there, so it goes in through there. Right, be back in a minute and I'll just get some pull cord cut and then I'll be back to you. We've threaded it through the assembly and now we're just to tie it off here, tie the pull cord off here, pull it back through and then make sure that the knot's big enough so it won't come out. Yeah. Just make sure that a double knot again. And then put that into there, like so. Let's put that into there, like so, and we'll snip that little bit off at the end. I'll just tidy that up with a lighter. I'll push that back into there now, and that should stop that from coming out. And yeah, we'll wind that in that way, that way. Now when you're putting this back in, this bit needs to go to the back to line up with that pointy bit there. So put that bit on there like so. Is that not on? No, it's not. Yes, it is. Yep, that's that on. So we'll put the plate back on. Okay. Well, as you can see, that's that now up and running. I just maybe need to get a new throttle assembly, because you have to pull the throttle assembly down to get it to go. So I have some more stickers come in, so I'll get them and I'll come back to you. Okay, so the first sticker we have in the next lot of stickers are My Green Lawn. He's in America. I'm not sure what state in America he is. He does lawn care maintenance, and go and check out his channel. The next one we have is Captain Jerk on YouTube. He does castings of skulls, goblins, and anything else. Go and check out his channel. He's got an awesome channel. And let's get them up on the sticker board. That's the two new stickers up on the sticker board, and as you can see, my sticker wall is coming along very nicely. And then there's all the ones there. Right, well, I had to change the spark plug in that strimmer because it was a torch. And you know what we do with torch spark plugs? No good for nothing, just throw them in the bin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, be lucky.